Nepal, a country of amazing extremes, is the home of the world's highest mountains, historic cities and the forested plains where the regal tigers and the armor-plated great Iran and rhinoceros strongylites. Situated in South Asia and surrounded by the Tibetan Autonomous Region of China in the north and by India in the south, east and west, the Kingdom of Nepal covers an area of 147,181 square kilometers, between 80 degrees 4 and 88 degrees 12 east and 26 degrees 22 and 30 degrees 27 north. The length of the kingdom is 885 kilometers east to west, and varies between 145 to 241 kilometers north to south.